Hello everyone, welcome to Trading Nerds. In this video, I'll show you 5 best modified RSI indicators that are actually better than the standard RSI. These improved RSI indicators show us more details about the regular RSI indicator. Some indicators smooth the regular RSI by filtering noise. These indicators can be used in any time frame without even changing any settings, and you can use for any markets including Forex, crypto, metal, and stocks. I will show you how to use these indicators to improve your win rate and of course make more money, so watch around until the end to get an idea about how they work. These awesome RSI indicators are available in TradingView and MetaTrader 4. You can download all indicators we discussed from my Telegram channel, link in the description. Before we begin, help me by subscribing to my channel and turn on notification bell to get new video updates. Number 1. Heikin Ashi RSI. Go to the indicators menu and search Heikin Ashi RSI and add this indicator right here. MT4 users can get this indicator in my Telegram channel. This indicator draws Heikin Ashi candles based on the regular RSI. You can apply basic Heikin Ashi candlestick strategies to find good entries. I made a Heikin Ashi video for beginners to understand in few minutes. If you are unfamiliar with Heikin Ashi charts, I suggest you to watch that video. I will leave the link in the description below. This Heikin Ashi RSI can use for trend trading entries, scalping, and counter trend trading. I will show you few examples quickly. When the Heikin Ashi candles turn red near the overbought area, it indicates that the price is about to change direction to the downside. If the RSI Heikin Ashi chart shows a doji type candle near the oversold or overbought area, it is also a sign that the trend is changing. You can place buy or sell orders, or you can exit if you are already in a trade. Divergences is another way to use this indicator. It gives very accurate signals for trend traders. I'm not going to show you how to use divergences because previously I made a video about trading divergence with a lot of information and strategies. Check that video too. I found an indicator for MT4 users that automatically draws divergence. This can be a little tricky to use if you have both hidden and classic divergence showing. To keep things simple, choose only one setting to display on your chart at a time, whether it be showing classic divergences only or showing hidden divergences only. Ichimoku Cloud RSI was designed to help you in confirming your trades or identifying exit points. Go to Indicator menu and search RSI Ichimoku Cloud and use this indicator. This is Kijin Sen, also known as the baseline. Tenkan Sen, this is also known as conversion line. This is Kumo Clouds. This indicator draws Japanese candlesticks instead RSI line. I will show you more details in a moment about candlestick base RSI. This indicator is similar to the standard Ichimoku indicator, but it is designed to track the RSI values. This indicator should be used to confirm your trading strategies, not to replace as a signal indicator. As an example, if the RSI candle breaks above the Kumo cloud, it indicates that the price is going up, or the baseline and conversion line cross above the Kumo cloud and remain above it. Even if the RSI indicator crosses down, the market is bullish. There are lots of ways to use this indicator. If you want a highly accurate strategy using this indicator, like this video and leave a comment below. Also subscribe and turn on notification to get new video updates. Next RSI indicator is Candlestick RSI. Go to the indicator menu and search RSI candle. Then select this indicator and apply to the chart. You can change RSI length here. I hide bullish, bearish zone. This is one of my favorite indicator. This candlestick based RSI give more informations. RSI open value, close value, highest and lowest, which you can't see in the regular RSI. This chart shows clearly when the price crosses oversold or overbought areas. Also, you can also easily draw divergence using this indicator. I made an awesome video about divergence with very accurate strategies. I used candlestick based RSI, MACD, CCI, and stochastic. Check that video too. I will leave the link in the description. Next indicator is RSI Bollinger Bands. Go to Indicator menu and search RSI Bollinger Bands. Use this indicator right here. Pink line is the regular RSI. This is upper line of the Bollinger Band, lower band, and middle line. These little dots are moving average of the RSI. You can hide this in the settings if these dots are annoying the chart view. This indicator gives very accurate and powerful signals most of the time. When RSI line crosses above the middle line, it gives very powerful buy signal. When the RSI crosses below the middle line, the market is very bearish. But unfortunately, this indicator gives false signals too. You should combine this indicator with additional indicators to increase your chance of winning. I will show you more strategies in future videos. Make sure you have subscribed and turn on the notification bell. Let's go to next indicator. Next indicator is RSIOMA, also known as Relative Strength Index of Moving Average. Go to Indicator menu and search RSIOMA, and use this indicator. Go to Indicator Settings and change black colors to white. This indicator is very useful for scalpers. It gives accurate signals in lower time frames. When the white line or exponential moving average crosses the RSI line near the oversold area, the price drops massively. When the white line crosses the RSI line near the overbought area, the market will be bearish. MT4 version, draw dots when these two lines cross. Get these indicators in my Telegram channel and don't forget to join as well. Lager RSI or LARSI is the bonus indicator. Search Lager RSI in the indicator menu and add this indicator. The Lager RSI is a modified version of the standard RSI with reduced noise and lag. The indicator is more responsive to price and has fewer whipsaws. The main idea behind this indicator is to buy when it goes above 0.2 and sell when it goes below 0.8. When the indicator stays flat above the 0.8 level, you may have a strong uptrend. When it stays flat below 0.2, you may be in a strong downtrend. It gets rid of the problem of trading signals being late in the regular RSI indicator. In other words, Lager RSI minimizes noise and lag. I made two strategies give more than 90% win rate. One strategy for scalping and the second for day trading and swing trading. Watch these videos if you want to learn more about this awesome indicator. Link in the description. You can download these 6 indicators including Lager RSI in my Telegram channel, link the description. You can support me by liking this video and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification bell. See you, take care.